Valutrades. Welcome to this week's Market Blast Technicals, where we will look at the IBEX, the NASDAQ, gold, WTI, dollar Swiss, and dollar yen. We have been advising viewers for months to watch for news on a potential coronavirus vaccine, and to start, we see the move away from the safe haven currencies like the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc. If we zoom out to the daily chart on dollar Swiss, we see that bullish price action might meet this upper trend line. We see a similar situation with dollar yen, where price action has already bounced off the upper trend line, and looking at Fibonacci, we see that this resistance is the 38.2% level. In fact, looking at most other yen pairs, we see the continuation of a current trend, except against the Swiss franc. Of course, looking at most other Swiss pairs, we see the continuation of a current trend except against the Japanese yen. The vaccine signals a return to productivity and travel, so the increased demand for oil briefly sent price up to resistance at around $41 and has retreated to the low 40s. Price is still ranging between the 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci level on the daily chart. Important news always affects the price of gold, and price action briefly hits support, but keep an eye on the key levels. The US indices rallied briefly but retreated, with levels on the NASDAQ retreating the most. The European indices reacted better, especially the Spanish IBEX, with ironically Spain going back into lockdown today. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you next week. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.